First, Deinosuchus, a prehistoric croc the size of a bus, 35 feet long, with a bite force strong enough to crush dinosaurs. It didn't chase, it ambushed. Next, Arthropleura. Imagine a centipede 8 feet long. That's this Paleozoic nightmare. It slithered through forests before there were birds. And then, Helicoprion, a shark with a spiral buzzsaw for a lower jaw. Its teeth grew in a curl, like a circular saw stuck in its face. Scientists still argue how it worked. Nature used to run on nightmare fuel. Follow for more monsters Earth actually made.